Let us come to the second question from the exercise 1.1. Here, the second question has been given. Show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R is equal to A comma B of A is less than or equal to B square. Okay, is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Yes, because here whatever number you can take A value, that should, after squaring that, it should be less than or equal. Okay, here first reflexive condition. We know that reflexive condition A comma A belongs to R. Okay, here if we take A value 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 whole square. That shows 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4. Is it possible? 1 by 4 is not greater than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the greater than 1 by 2. Therefore, this is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Okay, R is not reflexive. Then symmetric. What about symmetric? We know that the condition for symmetric A comma B belongs to R implies B comma A belongs to R. Okay. Now here take any number 2 comma 3 belongs to R. That shows 2 is less than or equal to 3 square means 9. Next wait, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 belongs to R. If 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 9. Here 1 by 9 is the very small number comparing 1 by 2. Therefore, this is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Okay. Then what about transitive? Transitive, we know that the condition for transitive here 1 by 2 belongs 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 belongs to R. 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 belongs to R. Now 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 belongs to R. But here 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 4. The square means 1 by 16. Which number is lesser or which number is bigger? 1 by 16 is the very less, but symbol shows reverse. Therefore, this is not belongs to R. R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Okay, this is the second question. Now we will go for next question. Check whether relation R defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 has A comma B of B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Yes, here relation given set relation and set has been given. Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the given set and relation has been given. Relation A comma B of B equal to A plus 1. This is the relation. You can check the reflexive symmetric transitive. Yes, here when A value is 1, B value is 2. Yes, here order frame are equal to, if A value 1 plus 1, B value is 2. 1 comma 2. Next A value is 2 plus 1 3. 2 comma 3. Next 3 comma 4. Next 4 comma 5. Next 5 comma 6. This is the order phase. Order phase 1 comma 2. When x value is 1, automatically y value get 2. X value, if x value is 2, we have y value 3. If x value is 3, we will get y value is 4. So on. Next, here the first reflexive condition A comma A belongs to R, 1 comma 1 belongs to, if there is any 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, no one is there, therefore 1 comma 1 not belongs to R, therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Next, what about symmetry? Here A comma B belongs to R, B comma A belongs to R, 1 comma 2 belongs to R, implies 2 comma 1. Is there 2 comma 1 in the other field? No, is not belongs to R, therefore R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. What about transitive? Transitive also 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Then 1 comma 3. Is there 1 comma 3 in the order pair? No chance. Therefore, it is also not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. This is the how we can get answer easily by using some simple tricks. Okay. Next, fourth question. Here we have fourth question. A comma B. A is less than or equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Yes, because A value 1, you can take A value 1 comma 1 belongs to R. It says reflexive, R is reflexive. Next, 1 comma 2 is belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R, therefore it is not symmetric. Then what about transitive? 1 comma 1 belongs to R. That shows the transitive, all transitive. 1 comma 1 belongs to R, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Next 2 comma 1 belongs to R, 1 comma 1 belongs to R. That shows the R is transitive. Fourth question, R is symmetric, R is transitive but not symmetric. Okay. Next, fifth question. Here we have checked whether R in the R defined as R is equal to A comma B. Set given the set of real numbers. Set of all real numbers. In the textbook not mentioned, you can understand the set is all real numbers, and the relation is given. How the relation a comma b of a is less than or equal to b cube. The question is same as we already get answer above questions. Okay. Now here a equal to take a equal to 1 by 2. It is not reflexive if 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 1 by 2 itself it's not equal. 1 comma 3 that shows 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 2 cube a. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 8, but the symbol shows 1 by 8 is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Okay, R is not reflexive. Next, symmetric 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 27. It is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Okay, then third one, if 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4. Now 1 by 2 is not less than or equal to 1 by 4. 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. 1 by 64 is the lesser than 1 by 2. Therefore, R is, this is not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. Okay. Next, fifth question. We have somewhat different question of it here. We have that. Sixth one. Sixth one. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R equal to relation is also given. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Yes. How? Yes, here. Sixth one. Set A equal to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 handle. Or relation is given 1 comma 2. Data given same, you can write same as in your textbook. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 is symmetric. Yes. Oh, yes, easily understand. 1 by 2 is there, 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 1 is there. That shows the relation is symmetric. 1 comma 1 is not belongs to R. 2 comma 2 is not belongs to R. That shows R is not reflexive. And 1 comma 2 is belongs to R. 2 comma 3. Relation R is not 3 comma 3. Therefore, it is not transitive. Yes, now reflexive. 1 comma 1 itself, 1 comma 1 is not belongs to R. R is not reflexive. Next, 1 comma 2 belongs to R implies 2 comma 1 also belongs to R. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. Therefore, R is R is symmetric. Then 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 3 not belongs to R. Therefore R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Okay, this is the answer. Now we'll go for the next 7th question. Show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in library of college given by R is equal to x comma y. X and y have same number of pages. Yes, here you should remember. I will give you one trick how the given relation is symmetric, transitive or reflexive. Here, any question, if the given any question, the question if it has some same, similar, equal, the same place, same side, this type of words are in the question, you should write the relation is equivalence. Relation get reflexive, symmetric and transitive also. Because here 1 comma 1 is equal to 1. It is 1 itself, 1 comma 1. It is reflexive and at the same place, similar, equal, both are same. These are the same synonyms. If the question has this type of words, you can directly put R is reflexive, R is symmetric, R is transitive. Okay, so the same question here we have R in the set all of x comma y. X and y have same number of pages. Is an equivalence relation? Yes, no doubt. Of course, it is equivalence relation because x itself, x comma x or x comma x or y comma y, they have same pages. Reflexive. Next, x comma y belongs to R, y comma x belongs to R. That shows symmetric. X comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R, x comma z also belongs to R. Okay, you can continue that same of questions. Now we will go for the next